Dogecoin is in the spotlight again, and this time it's not just about memes or Elon Musk's tweets. The big question now is, can Doge reach new all-time highs if a Dogecoin ETF is approved? Some analysts suggest that if Dogecoin captures even a fraction of Bitcoin ETF inflows, we could see prices soar beyond $11 or even $15. But is this a realistic expectation or just another overhyped crypto dream? Let's break it down. Right now, the crypto market is struggling. Dogecoin has dropped about 20% this month and lost nearly 38% in February. It's currently trading at around 16 cents, a level we haven't seen since before Trump's presidency. Yet, despite this downturn, long-term optimism remains strong, especially with growing discussions about a Dogecoin ETF. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, recently acknowledged Grayscale's filing for a Dogecoin ETF. Now, to be clear, this isn't an approval. It just means the process has officially begun. Meanwhile, NYSE Arca has also filed a 19B4 form for the Bitwise Dogecoin ETF. This means major financial institutions are taking Doge seriously as an investment product. So what happens if a Dogecoin ETF gets the green light? The answer largely depends on how much capital flows into it. Ethereum's ETF launch, for example, didn't push ETH prices higher due to weaker inflows. But Bitcoin's ETF was a different story. It brought in massive investments, driving BTC to new highs. To put this into numbers, Bitcoin ETFs have attracted about $35.4 billion in inflows so far, according to SoSoValue. If a Dogecoin ETF can capture even 25% of that, we're talking about an $8.85 billion injection into Doge. And based on Bank of America's inflow to valuation multiplier of 118x, this could lead to a market cap increase of over $1 trillion, pushing Dogecoin's price to around $7.10. But what if Dogecoin gets 40% of Bitcoin ETF inflows? That would mean net flows of about $14.16 billion, leading to a market cap increase of around $1.67 trillion. In that scenario, with Doge's current supply of 148.39 billion tokens, the price could hit an incredible $11.41. Sounds ambitious, right? But some experts are even more optimistic. Crypto analyst Ollie Martinez predicts Dogecoin could hit $15 post-ETF approval. That's nearly 100 times its current price. Of course, these are all projections, and there's no guarantee a Dogecoin ETF would bring in this level of investment. Plus, we've seen crypto hype cycles before. Big promises, sky-high expectations, and then reality setting in. So, will Dogecoin reach $7, $11, or even $15? The ETF approval process is still in its early stages, and its impact remains uncertain. But one thing is clear. If Dogecoin gets its own ETF and attracts strong investor interest, we could be looking at a whole new era for the original meme coin. What do you think? Is a $15 Doge price possible, or is this just wishful thinking? Let me know in the comments.